Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In my today's video, I have a special recipe for you all. As you all can see, I am showing a bald patch at the center of my hair, on my forehead. This is right at the center of the partition of the hair, which I usually do, and it was quite distressing for me because it shows up in the pictures and all. Therefore, I wanted to find a remedy, and what I'm showing now is the result of the remedy which I used for almost a month. The baby hairs have started to grow, and it is quite. I was quite happy with the results. So it doesn't show any miracle right away. You need to wait and consistently follow the method what I'm telling you in this video. So if you want to know, please continue watching. To make this hair care serum, I'll call it serum or water, whatever. I'm using black pepper, which is a natural remedy that can help promote hair growth and also has that antibacterial and antimicrobial properties which help to stimulate the hair follicles. And I'm using cloves, which also contains antioxidants and nutrients that help to strengthen the hair roots and also help to protect scalp from dandruff. Cloves can also help to stimulate your hair follicles. Similarly with rosemary. Rosemary also has that properties which can help to reduce hair fall and promote hair growth by stimulating the hair follicles. Then most importantly in this recipe I'm using ginger. You can use fresh ginger. I'm using ginger which is dry. It can stimulate the hair follicles. It has several vitamins and minerals and fatty acids which therefore helps to regrow your hair. And finally mint, which helps to provide the cooling effect and increase the scalp and blood circulation to your hair, therefore activating the follicles to promote hair growth. So these are all main ingredients which would actually promote hair growth if used individually also, but since it is for a bald patch I'm using all together. And if you don't have dry ginger, you can use fresh ginger also. So the method is here is I need to grind all the ingredients, and the ingredients what I'm taking is for 250 ml of the water which I'm going to boil. For that I'll be using 50 grams of each of these ingredients plus a bowl full of mint leaves. So this is how the product looks after grinding. To make this serum or hairspray, I'm going to boil 250 ml of water, and I'm going to add all the ingredients which I ground, not to have smooth paste but a coarse paste. I'm going to add it into this 250 ml of water and let it boil in a low flame for at least 15 minutes so that the water is reduced to half. So here as you can see, you need to use a double boiler method. Here as you can see, the water starts to boil and all the goodness of the ingredients which I used will be liberated into the water. This is an easy method of making a hair serum to grow your hair. So this is how it looks. You can cool it. You should cool it before using it. You can also leave it overnight so that it takes up all the goodness of the ingredients. The water takes up all that. Here I've just used a measuring mug so that I get to know how much serum I have got. You can simply take a bowl and strain it. To strain I'm using a cloth so that I can squeeze out everything what I have made. You can use a filter also. Just take everything and squeeze the water or the serum into the bowl or whatever you have taken. So for the 250 ml of the water which I used, I'll be getting thick concentration of this hair serum. This will be around 100 ml, which can be stored in the refrigerator and used daily. So I'm going to use it in store it in a spray bottle so that it is easy to apply. So this can be kept in the refrigerator and used for how many ever days you want. This can be stored for a month in the refrigerator, but always make a patch test before using. So since it is a concentrated one and I've used all those ingredients which can irritate skin, you need to be very careful. Do a patch test and start using it. If you find it is too irritating, you can dilute it also and use it daily. Apply on your bald patches. You can leave it overnight, or you can just keep it. You need not wash it. If you use it in such a way that you wash it, then you can leave it for 4 to 5 hours and spray as I am showing here. Just shake the bottle very well and directly spray onto the spot where you find hair loss is too much, and rub a little bit like that, and you can just leave it off. The irritation of this will start after some time. You feel as if you have applied some like a zandu balm or amrutanjan, that sort of irritation you'll find, but it is nice. And for this is how the result after a month. So the baby hair starts growing, and you'll find this serum is working. At least it worked for me, therefore I'm going to show it. So please try this and see how it works. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, you can share it with your friends, and if you have any comments, leave the comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.